Newsflash.
This just in.
Good evening, 6 Hour. Welcome to the 10 o'clock news. I'm Taylor.
And I'm Jordan.
And boy, do we have news for you. Today we have a special report on a very interesting product that is fresh off the market. A biologically engineered wheat strain is now modified so that it tastes like tomatoes.
What crazy stuff scientists are inventing now. The technology we have is amazing. Now to Sydney Miller to report the scientific process.
Hello everyone. All this genetic engineering has been made possible by the idea of recombinant DNA. Recombinant DNA is DNA that has been formed by artificially combining DNA from different organisms. In order for this to occur, two separate DNA strands have to be cut at the same location or restriction site by restriction enzymes that produce sticky ends. The sticky ends of both DNA strands are then fused together by a ligase molecule. Genetic engineering is similar to recombinant DNA because it is a modification of the characteristics of an organism by manipulating its genetic material. For the pasta that tastes like tomatoes example, the desired gene, or taste, was taken out of the tomato DNA by a restriction enzyme. Then it was added into the plasmid of a bacteria, which is what it would look like in the bacteria. The bacteria reproduce, and then the desired gene is removed from the bacteria and is then inserted back into the taste gene of the pasta.
Hello, I'm Dr. Lynn L. Miller, as you can see. And we have been receiving many reports of unspeakably terrible side effects. This genetically modified wheat strain has been producing almost rabid activity in the lives of some people. Even some people here at our very own school, Walled Lake Northern, a local teacher, J.P. Aarons, has suffered an outbreak of extreme hysteria. Here's a short clip showing every serious side effect this wheat strain has.
It's a trap! Don't buy the product, I'm telling you right now. They told me my hair would be purple. Look at it, I'm bald. I don't even have hair. It's made my hair fall out. It's nonsense. Don't even do it. This genetically modified garbage, I can't stand it.
So, after watching that video, we want to warn you all about the many strange side effects of the genetically modified product. Since it is new on the market, we strongly advise you to be aware of what can happen. Trust me, you don't want to end up like Mr. Aarons.
Geez Louise, he sure is experiencing some different side effects. Knowing Mr. Aarons, it's hard to tell if that's the side effects or just his normal self.
Our next topic today is going to be the link between whether brushing your hair can lead to athlete's foot. This new topic, wait, hold on, this just in.
Breaking news!
The daughter of Bill Nye the Science Guy has been found alive. 5 years ago, she was found murdered in her dad's laboratory. But today, someone with her exact DNA was found.
How is this possible, you may ask? Is it her twin sister? Could it be a mistake? Here's Walled Lake's chief forensic analyst, Lynn Miller, with more information.
Hello, Jordan. More and more stories are surfacing about what has happened, but before we make any speculations, let's discuss the matching DNA. Janice Nye, Bill's daughter, was murdered, therefore her DNA was stored in our database. Local student, Emma Volker, was found breaking and entering into her AP Bio teacher's stash of energy drinks.
Hey!
So we obtained her DNA upon arrest. As a routine check, we ran her DNA through the database and found that it was an exact match to Janice's. The technology used to make these comparisons is called gel electrophoresis. Here's Jenny Starr to explain.
Jenny Starr talking about gel electrophoresis. In gel electrophoresis, DNA samples are loaded into the little containers here at the top of our little gel box. A current is run through the gel, causing the shorter bands of DNA to go to the bottom and the longer bands up here to stay at the top. The electric current causes the negatively charged DNA bases to move through the gel towards the positive bottom. If the sequence of the bands are the same, the DNA is a match.
So here we have Janice's DNA, and here is Emma's DNA. Notice they are exactly the same. It's buffoonery.
We have moved our studio outside now because for once, Michigan has nice weather. And on the story, let me just say, wow, just wow, shocking. We have had quite the controversial topics today. Some people are claiming that they are long-lost twin sisters. Others say that it's just a strange coincidence. Is she back from the dead?
My personal opinion is that Janice was cloned. With Bill Nye as her father and technology advancing, anything is possible. They did it with Dolly the sheep, so I wouldn't put it past him.
Cloning is a method used to produce animals whose nuclear genes are identical to the donor animal supplying the nucleus. Therefore, it is also called nuclear transplantation. The result is the cloned animal is identical in appearance and genetic makeup to the donor animal supplying the nucleus, but differs from the egg cell, donor, and surrogate mother.
We have reporters currently talking to the clone, Emma Volker, as we speak. Emma, can we talk to you for a minute?
No, leave me alone. Please, we only have a few questions. Okay, fine. Just a minute. What do you know about your clone's murder?
All I know is that I'm glad she's dead. She was always a favorite. Bill and I always give her special treatment, so I can't.
You what?
I killed her.
Yeah. Well, that's all I need. Thanks.
Back to you, ladies. Wow, what a night at the newsroom.
I hope you guys enjoyed this informative yet crazy news story.
We will see you tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Good night, Waldwick Northern.